Hey guys, this is Taylor from Truck World RVA. Have here a 2013 Ford F350 Super Cab dual wheel 4-wheel drive. It's got a Stahl service bed on it, 3200LRX crane. It's electric over hydraulic, non-PTO driven. The truck's got about 140 on it. Pretty clean all the way around. Have a small rip in the driver's seat. And that's about it. Other than that, runs and drives nice. Body's in great shape. It's got outriggers. It extends that far electronically, and then the rest is manual extension. Driver's seat rip. Other than that, interior's in good shape. Vinyl seats, rubber floors. Set 140K, 4-wheel drive. Factory tow package. Power windows, power locks, cruise control, 2 remotes, 2 keys, keys for the body as well, 2 keys for the body. Nice deep boxes because it's a dual wheel. Truck came to us out of West Texas, nice and dry, no rust underneath. Got the receiver on there. I like these Stahl cranes. I get them a lot. Pretty smooth operation. Brand new remote for it. Everything works. Let me know if you have any questions. My number is 804-716-8487. Call or text anytime. Thanks for watching.